I have in front of me an Aurora compact LED motorcycle light. It comes in this outer presentation box. This particular model here is the 10 watt 20 degree. Again, it comes with a stainless steel bracket, nut, bolts, washers. It also has this connector here on it, which allows you to attach your existing cables. Again, it comes apart just like that, waterproof. Just a couple of sizes on this one. Make it calipers. So just over 60 mil. And including the bracket, in around 79 mil, 80 mil. This particular light can be purchased individually or as a kit. If you were to opt for the kit, it comes with a second light, a wire harness and a splitter cable. Just a quick demonstration on that. It doesn't get much simpler than this. Plug and play. That's as simple as that, and then back into your wire harness. Have your relay, your inline fuse, your DT connector, your waterproof switch and your crimped battery connections. I'll just power this up now. A nice long distance spot. That's it. It's the Aurora compact LED motorcycle light, available from ledautotech.ie.